welcome back to my channel, and today it's me, Cassie, and today we're gonna try Juicy Drop. And I'm kind of scared to eat it because when I watch on the TV, I heard that it's sweet and juicy, and it's also sour, and I'm so excited to eat it, but I'm also nervous too. So let's open it. I wonder what the gummies look like. OMG. I'm trying as hard as I can. Open this. Eek! So it comes out. Now all I need is just a pencil. And that's all. No! OMG. Jeez. Alright. I'm sort of scared to try this. But it's new. I think so, from our house now. Mommy, I'm scared. It's good. It's a little sour though, or sour. But that's alright. It tastes good. Do you want to try? Alright. Guys, if you got this, try to taste this, and it's gonna taste sweet and sour too. I promise. It is sweet and sour though. It tastes good. It's so good. Guys, if you haven't got this yet, just get it at Walmart, I guess. I think we brought that at Walmart, and it tastes so good. Just try it if you haven't got it yet. Just go to the shop, and if you see it, just bring it and sell it and taste it. And you are gonna taste it. It's really gonna taste like sweet and sour. I promise you guys. Really promise. Pinky promise. Alright. And that's all my videos. Bye! Oh, also subscribe and hit the bell button and hit the like button.